DataLakehouse.io is a data democratization analytics platform that offers an all-in-one, no-code data management solution. Keep watching to learn more.
Hello, DataLakehouse.io is a no-code data pipeline analytics platform that enables you to centralize your data with simplicity and with the capabilities of getting your data from your source systems without the need of developers or additional overhead. It's very customizable and a very collaborative platform. And it not only provides a no-code capability, but it also comes with a pre-built analytics set of some of our more popular connectors, which gives you immediate insights into your data. And so what does that really look like at a high level? We have a number of pre-built source connectors that provide customers with no coding capability, meaning that you don't have to build your own from scratch or maintain code that you have to develop with your internal team. We have many operational systems or databases or flat files that you use. So connectors are available to you out of the box. With the DataLakehouse.io platform, we have pre-built a number of analytic models that act as an accelerator or at least a starting point for you that provides immediate insights to the data that we are synchronizing from your source system. Those analytic models give way to pre-built dashboards, insights, reports, graphs, and charts that allow you to visualize the data that are in those pre-built models. So it's really the trifecta of what we like to call the modern data stack, and having the ability to quickly ascertain information from your source systems such as Ceridian Dayforce, Salesforce, Toast, Shopify, SQL Server, and many other popular sources. Also, we look at the second part of the data journey, which is, well, once you have the data inside your cloud data warehouse, you may want to apply business rules or some business logic. It might need to be combined with another set of data or give your organization a more meaningful impact and bring more value to the data for the organization. And then the last part is, as we're transferring the data for certain purposes, it's very helpful to deploy a single source of truth. This centralized single source of truth where individuals in your organization will go and they can feel confident in that single source of truth data repository that has been curated within your organization. Some people see this as a difficult thing to do, and reasons behind that might be very apparent, such as, hey, there are two different data sources, right? They're disparate in nature. Perhaps one is a point of sale, the other one is an ERP system or a CRM system. So on the surface, combining those two systems together might seem to have its own complications. In addition, someone or some people have to then potentially write some code in order to integrate those different data sources. With that code comes a lot of maintenance, but oftentimes you won't get to writing the code if you don't have the correct skill sets in order to extract the data or to make sense of the data. And at the end of the day, it all comes down to time. How much time will you take to write the code, to maintain the code, so forth and so on. With DataLakehouse.io, the tools are already there in the no-code app. And the benefits we think are apparent, right? Providing a holistic view of the business once our customers are able to examine the data that they're synchronizing from the source system into the cloud. They're able to validate the data very quickly through our visualizations. And then one final layer on top of that is something referred to as the data catalog. DataLakehouse.io has its own simplified data catalog so that anyone from your organization can log into DataLakehouse.io and they can begin to understand some of the metadata definitions regarding the data that's being synchronized from the source systems. And it's very collaborative. So people in your organization can even append to definitions, take certain attributes and entities, and then provide a nice holistic information view about the metadata regarding your source to help keep tabs on the underlying data. And the results of all this, aside from having a no-code, quick-win environment for moving your data from your sources into the data cloud, is that things like efficiencies are there across the board. So increasing efficiency such as actionable insights 65% faster, getting your raw data from sources into actionable insights. Then we also have this great use case from one of our customers where they're able to increase employee retention from previous years by 28%. So we have a basic dashboarding concept that comes out of the box with DataLakehouse.io. In here, what we're showing is one of the quick dashboards looking across a standard Ceridian Dayforce instance. And so again, if you synchronize your data using Data Lakehouse from Dayforce and Cloud Data Warehouse, you're able to see this definition, this visualization of your Ceridian data very, very rapidly. And here we're just showing some additional output such as active number of employees, total number of salaries, average salary, so forth and so on. And then we're also able to look at simple entity constructs such as courses, certifications, payroll distribution, punch card, etc. And there are a number of other dashboards and views that we have available. And these are completely customizable inside the DataLakehouse.io platform. So at a high level, what does it take to get inside of DataLakehouse.io? So as a customer or a trial account, you'll simply log into DataLakehouse.io, and then by following our connection screen, you'll connect to your data sources. From there, you connect to your data cloud. And so here we have one of our connectors set up as a demo. We have many, many connectors to choose from. You just happen to pick Ceridian. Within Ceridian, you're able to name that connector, connect to a particular environment. It does not have to be a production environment. Enter in your specific Ceridian information. You'll authorize that connection. So now we have a source created. We need to create a target. Where is that data cloud? Where's that data going to land? So we have a number of different options for that. Here in this particular example, we've picked Snowflake. We've entered in all of our particular Snowflake connection information. So now we have a source. We of course have a target. Now in order to actually move data or replicate data from the source into the target, we need to create a sync bridge. So a sync bridge is where we go in and we tell Data Lakehouse, what is your source of data? What's your target of data? How often do you want the sync frequency? And you can set this according to really how often you would like to see the data updated in your particular dashboard. And so you have the option to select what is most appropriate for you. If you're interested in learning more about how you can begin synchronizing your data into the data cloud, we offer a 14-day free trial. And that trial also includes other connectors that you're able to try out. And we're more than happy to have one of our customer success agents help you and provide a customized private demo of DataLakehouse.io. And to help you get onboarded, we provide a 2-day onboarding service to help make sure that connecting your data happens correctly and they're able to see your data inside of your data cloud. If you'd like to take us up on that offer, we'd be happy to help out with that. Visit us at DataLakehouse.io to register for a free account today. Thank you.
If you have any questions about bringing your organization's data into a cloud data warehouse with DataLakehouse.io, use the link in the description to schedule a demo with one of our data and analytics experts. In the description, you can also find a link to get started with DataLakehouse.io for free.